campers, Dustin here with Pine Acres RV here in Stewiacke with another super fresh trade-in, guys. Forest River Grey Wolf 2021 20 DJ SE. This is an awesome lightweight couples unit, guys. Family unit, sorry. We got pass-through storage up front. There's a huge awning with the blue LED light underneath it. Looks super awesome. You got exterior speakers, spot you can mount a TV, solid steps going in, and down back here you have tons of storage underneath the bunk. Great for your camping chairs, extra gear and whatnot. And then you have this drop-down rack that you can put a barbecue, maybe a cooler, or some firewood on. Come on inside, guys. Let's check her out. All right, guys. Just inside the 20 DJ SE. There's your sleeping quarters up front. There is power hookups on either side. His or hers closets with some storage up above as well. Conveniently, tons of hooks for your jackets, maybe your house coats, and a privacy curtain for at nighttime. Now, this couch here, this will drop down and make a bed with some storage up over top as well. The AC is ducted through this whole unit, and another key feature I like is the blue backlit LEDs in the speaker. Super nice. Over here into the kitchen area, storage for your cups and your plates. Huge sink. And just down below, you got a spot where you can put a garbage can and all your kitchen utensils. Just beside the sink here, we got the microwave range hood, 3-burner cooktop with a good size oven. You get a spot down below where you can store your pots and your pans, and you got the cutting board that comes right off. Now, just beside me here, check out the size of that refrigerator, guys. Huge. On my backside here, we got a dinette that will drop down into a bed. Up top, we have our AC and furnace controls with our indoor and outside speaker stereo deck. Some more storage up above, and just beside that, a spot we can mount a TV. Hookups are over there, with double over double bunks, power hookups, and lights and windows in each bunk. Coming into the bathroom, we have a huge sink, great size vanity, medicine cabinet, and some more storage down below, extra toilet paper, tons of space here around the toilet with a vent up top, power vent I might add, and a fair size shower, extra headroom right where you want it. Super awesome unit, guys. If you like this unit and you want to get into it for yourselves, come on down to Pine Acres Stewiacke, exit 11, and don't forget to keep an eye on our website at www.pineacresrv.com.